If you want to lose belly fat and have a smaller waist, prepare this incredible drink that will help you eliminate excess fat in just 7 days. The best thing is that the ingredients are totally natural. This drink not only helps you lose weight but also flushes toxins from the liver, prevents gallstone, and cleans the bowels. You will feel energetic throughout the day. Here's how to prepare this amazing natural drink. Firstly, you need to prepare lemon. Lemon contains many nutrients good for health, but what makes it great for those wanting to lose weight is the presence of pectin, which helps in curbing appetite and reducing junk cravings. Besides, lemon contains flavonoids, which helps in accelerating the metabolism, which further helps in weight loss. What's more, the antioxidant properties of lemons not only help in promoting weight loss, but at the same time prevent the damage caused by free radicals, improve your heart health, and prevent development of several types of cancers. Now, cut one lemon, then squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a cup of water. Besides lemon juice, lemon peels contain many polyphenols that can help you lower the absorption of sugars from the food and also help you in losing weight. They are also good for preventing fat accumulation in your body. So, to make your weight loss drink even more effective, consider adding a little lemon zest or even crushed lemon peels to your drink. You can use a citrus zester and zest a lemon peel into your drink. The next ingredient of this recipe is ginger powder. Ginger can fasten the metabolism. If your metabolism is faster, you burn calories faster and lose belly fat faster as well. Ginger is also good for your digestive system. Healthy digestion is a key to weight loss. Poor digestion leads to hinder absorption of the nutrients and elimination of food, which can lead to weight gain. You thus need to add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder to a cup to get its weight loss benefits. Next, you need to prepare turmeric powder. Turmeric contains a powerful compound known as curcumin, which can help in battling excess fat deposition in your body. Curcumin also has the effect of promoting thermogenesis, leading to increased fat burning in your body, boosting your metabolism and thus encouraging weight loss. You need to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into the cup. Mix well to combine the ingredients together and your weight loss drink is ready. You can drink it on an empty stomach throughout the day. In addition, this drink helps you feel satiated and in curbing appetite. So, I also recommend drinking it 30 minutes before your meals.